Hello Andy, I'm Madhvi Reddy. I'm a certified financial planner. Today we have come up with a new concept called robust algo trading platform. So this is nowadays we are seeing that people are losing their income and their jobs, and maybe in future they are not certain about that income might again be the same, or they might so everyone is fearing that losing of income and losing of jobs. Some people have already lost the jobs and lost the incomes, and people who are having right now are also uncertain about the future. So in this crisis, like, we have one thing everyone has assured, like to have another income stream, to generate income stream along with the regular and mainstream. So for that purpose we have come up with this new concept called trading platform in stock market. So the main feature of this, we can say, the complete system driven, and there is no human intervention will be there. So we have heard about more stock market people are having losses and all, because the human intervention will be there and emotions will be there, and they don't maintain strict stop losses, and the behavior also will impact their discipline and behavior, emotions, everything will impact on the stock market. And lack of knowledge, lack of time, lack of control on these emotions, and managing the disciplinary action towards stock markets, people are losing the money. So this is what we have come up with, a complete system driven, which is very much automated. The entire system will taken care the execution of the order at the best price at the right time by maintaining the strict stop losses. So this is very much like risk adjusted strategies that we are applying in this platform called robust algo trading platform. So let's get back into the features. The minimum investment is, we can start with 1 lakh. With the time frame you have to maintain at least for 1 year, and maximum capital risk will be 20%. But in between, if you want to exit, there is a exit policy also. After first quarter, after 3 months, anytime if you want to wish, you can exit with the amount whatever is there in that. But it is that maximum capital risk will be only at the point of any time, it would be only 20% of the capital risk. And the new and important we are offering in this, the giving assured return to the clients. That is, we are giving 12%, that means almost 1% per month on whatever investment starts with 1 lakh. We are offering per month 1%, that is almost comes to 12% per annum, that is 12,000 rupees on 1 lakh. And there is an expected return range would be 40% to 70% on the capital, and the profit sharing would be 50-50. Example, your 1 lakh has become 2 lakhs, so out of that what the profit of 1 lakh will be shared between the client and the firm. And the only restriction in this, you have to open a new demat account with us, where the client will not interfere, and but it will be transparent. Whatever is happening in that account, everything will be known by end of the day. The daily ledger will be mailed to the account, everything will be transferred and will be under the control. Only the condition is, you should not do any other trading activities in this demat account, where you are open to do this if you are having your trading activities with other demat accounts. And the strategies what we follow and the models are like this. The main instruments that we take care of in this, equity and the derivatives, purely intraday basis. We don't carry forward even a single position for tomorrow or the next trading session. So the strategies under equity intraday, we are using the models like moving average, crossover, support resistant, quant models, mean reversion and trend, statistical arbitrage, swing trades, And when it comes to the strategies under futures and options are like this: synthetic call put model, covered call put strategy, weekly expiry swings, Greek hedger, volatility arbitrage. So far, by using all these strategies, will make sure that your loss will restricted to 20% and you will get maximum profit at least 40 to 70% in a year, with issued income of 12%. So your risk will be restricted to only 8%, because your risk, we already told you, that would be 20%, that is 1 lakh. It comes to 20,000 per annum, and out of that we are giving issued return already, that is 12%. That means 1 lakh, 12% means 12,000. So 20,000 is your risk, and out of 12,000 issued return, so remaining 8,000 is the what you can expect, the maximum downside you can see, and upside you can see 40 to 70%. So all our intraday positions, day to day details of the margin, every day whatever you are making, the loss and profit will be sent to you immediately on daily basis, and we will be available through WhatsApp, through chat, through calls, or through mails, and no carry forward positions will be there for the next day, because of this volatile positions nowadays is happening in the stock market. So the main advantages we already told you. This is there will be no human intervention, not even we will interfere in trading, because it is a system. In the system we already defined the software. These are the strategies that we will follow. So the system will decide to trade, even we don't interfere until there is a very panic situation. And the disclaimer, again, once again I wanted to remind you, so you should not use this demat account for your other trades. The client will not execute trades in this demat account. If you want, you can do your regular trading with your other demat accounts, and brokerage charges as per industry, and this is also very much open and transparent. That is, for intraday per crore will be 1500, for futures it is the same 1500 rupees per crore, and options 25 rupees per lot. And profits and shares, profit sharing and the issued returns will be settled on quarterly basis. So that's what we said, a minimum period that you have to stay 1 year. But if there is anything that you wanted your money before the 1 year, that you can exit only after 3 months, that is first quarter. After that you will be settled with profit sharings and all the issued returns. So any other details or any other, so here I am giving some screenshot. We are doing this algo trading and this kind of strategy and this model of algo trading since 1 year, and we are successfully doing that. So we have given these analytics and these profit and loss margins sheet we are sending you on the daily basis. You will be sent the same way of margin screenshots. You will get, like, one day you got loss of 999 rupees, one day you got profit of end of the day 10,696, and one day you got 8,181. So every day this is the mail what we send to you, that is what we made. So all things will be in transparent, either in brokerage or the risks or the profits and the profit sharing. And you can also see the entire the demat account will be opened on the client name, so he can see what is happening in his account very clearly. So this is we are doing successfully since 2 years. And for the retailers, for more updates and for more clarity and to subscribers, please do WhatsApp for our numbers that we have mentioned in the first slide. That is here me, that is Madhvi Reddy. Like I am also part of this project with 10 years of experience being there, fundamental and economic analysis since 10 years, with 10 years of experience. And Ramesh, who is CFA, and he is derivative quant analyst and having market experience of 13 years and being as technical analysis. So these are all numbers and our websites. You can check with us, and you can feel free to call us and WhatsApp us for any further